welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today we are in the kitchen and we are painting kitchen cabinet hardware. We've got these handles that are brushed nickel and we're going to paint them flat black. We're going to use this Rustoleum Universal Advanced formula product that promises to bond to anything and everything. We're going to see if it works as well as they promise. Let's get started. So the process is pretty simple. The first thing is we have to take our hardware and we have to give it a good cleaning to make sure we're painting a clean surface. So we're going to use warm water and Dawn dish soap, and we have a scouring pad. We're going to scrub the hardware down with the scouring pad and make sure that they are grime free. Once that's done, we're going to let them dry out and then it's time to paint. We've got our handles cleaned up, dried off, the surface is ready for paint. Let's get back to a well-ventilated area and paint this cabinet hardware. So we wanted to update our kitchen cabinet hardware and we went the spray paint route and we used this Rustoleum Universal Advance formula that promised to be a primer and a paint all in one with a nice flat finish, and we are not disappointed. This is a great finish. It feels awesome. It's a nice flat black that goes great in our kitchen. It cost about 20 bucks in spray paint and about an hour's worth of time. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.